Good day, boys and girls. How are you? I am Mr. Michael. I'm very well. I am here today to teach you about homework, phonetics, the letters B and the letters P, pages 1 to 4. Now we're going to introduce to you some characters that we know from Letterland. They are B, Bouncy Ben, and P, Peter Puppy. But how do we produce the sound of B and P? Now they are produced similarly, right? So they sound similar or almost the same. All right, let's have a look. B and P. We're going to learn this one. So let's start with letter P. And there's Peter Puppy. Okay, so let's first close our lips hard. Now we're going to push the air forward in your mouth. P. So we don't use our voice for this one. We just say, P. Just like that. Let's try again. P. P. Well done. Let's try letter B. Now letter B looks opposite of a P. Looks upside down, doesn't it? Similar to the sound. Upside down, different. Okay, let's try B. So for this part, we're going to close our lips hard, okay? And we're going to do the air forward in your mouth, push it forward. But this time, we're going to open our lips quickly. So like that, fast, okay? Here we go. B. B. Oh, this time we have to use our voice. B. Let's say Bouncy Ben. B. Bouncy Ben. You hear the voice, B. Okay, so what is the difference in sound? The letter B is voiced. It makes a sound. What about the letter P? It is unvoiced. You just push off air. P. P. Just like that. Okay, experiment 1. Put your hand kind of on your throat, okay, just like this, around your neck, where your vocal cords are at, and then make the B sound, okay? Remember to use your voice, though. We're going to use our voice. B. B. Can you feel a sensation in your, I call it my voice box or my chest? B. That's right. It vibrates. It means moves really quickly like this. It makes a vibration like a bass sound, like a deep sound. B. Bass. You can feel it vibrate easily, okay? Now let's try P. But this time, we're not going to use our voice. P. P. Now, you notice something different? It doesn't vibrate. Let's try again. P. P. That's right. The vocal cords do not vibrate. Why? Because they're unvoiced. That's right. So the letter B is a voiced sound, as in B, Bouncy Ben. Or the letter P, as in P, Peter P, Puppy. So you don't feel the vibration with the letter P as you do the letter B. Okay, let's do another experiment. Get a piece of paper. Now let's do the B sound. B, B. Okay, you notice what happens? The paper does not move. Try again. B, B. Okay, now we're going to do the letter P. Okay, here we go. Let's try the letter P. P, P. You see the paper move forward. P, P. Try one more time. Look closely. P, P. Oh, almost blew away that time. Well done. That is because of the air being pushed out so quickly, makes the paper move. Let's look at this ball bouncing here, right? What is this? Let's do something else here. This is a ball. B, ball. So, b, b. Remember the trick? B, b, b. And do you hear a sound or vibration? Of course you do, because it's the letter B. That's right. B. I feel the sound. So this is a ball. Okay, let's go to the next one. B, ball. And beginning sound or ending sound? Think of beginning and end. To me, it is the beginning sound. That is right. B is the beginning sound. Let's try this one here. Now, what is this? This is a tub. Tub. Let's say it together. Tub. Okay? This is a tub. B. And now we hear the sound at the end. Tub. Tub. The ending sound. So what is it? This is a tub. And let's check this one. So beginning or end, it is the ending sound. That is correct. Tub. B. Ooh, here's a tricky one here. What is this? I'll say the word. This is a rabbit. 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 Let's think about it. Is it the beginning sound? Rabbit. Is it the ending sound? No, boys and girls, it is not. Think of it again. Let's say it again. Rabbit. That's right. It's the middle sound. You hear the b, rabbit, rabbit. So it becomes the middle sound. That's what we hear. And the answer would be C, in the middle. Rabbit. As you look here at the phonic, you see the B is pronounced in the middle. So this is a rabbit. Game time. Let's look at some clues. See if you know some of these. Here we go. You ready? We're going to do letter B. Okay? Now I'll give you one clue. It's going to be beginning or ending sound. Let's see if you know. Let's look at the first one. And remember, B says B. B. Very good. This is something we used to play baseball with. Okay? Think of baseball. It's a round ball. We can throw it. We can catch it. Right? What do we need to play baseball with? It's long. It can be made of metal or wood. And what do you think it is? Let's take a guess. That's right. It is a baseball bat. Baseball bat. Now, we have to look at these pictures here. And we have to write the letter B if the picture has the sound at the beginning or the sound at the end. And everything in here begins with the letter B. Let's find the baseball bat. There it is. We found it. Now let's have a look. Baseball bat. Okay, can you hear the sound? B. Baseball bat. Okay, this is a baseball bat. Beginning sound or ending sound? Baseball bat. I hear it at the beginning. That's right. And beginning starts with letter B as well. And it's at the beginning. Very good. Okay, let's try the next one. Bat. Bat. It is sometimes difficult to see. Okay? Difficult means hard to see. I can't see it. Very good. And spiders can make this. Now, what do they make? Do they make a mess? Do they make dinner? No, of course not. They don't. Let's think of it. They use it to catch insects. What is it? You said it. It's a web. Say it again, web. Do you hear the sound? Say it with me one more time, web. Let's look for it. Can we find it here? We found it. There it is, right between the building and the teddy bear. And now this is a web. Is it a beginning sound or ending sound? Let's say it one more time. Web. Web. That's correct. If you said ending sound, you are correct. B is at the end of the word web. Say it again. Web. Very good. Let's go to the next one. It's your turn now. Are you ready? That's right. Here we go. Question 1. It is an animal. It has 2 big horns. Ooh. I'll give you one clue. This animal represents this Chinese New Year. That is right. It is. Does anybody know what it is? And it is a male cattle. Have we guessed it? That's correct. It is a bull. Let's say it together. Bull. Bull. This is a bull. And what sound does it make? The beginning. Oh, sorry, it makes the B sound. Is it beginning or ending? Let's say it again. Bull. That's right. It is the beginning sound. Bull. Very good. Question 2. Birds use it for eating, fighting, and even carrying things. What could it possibly be? Is it their claws, their feet? No, it can't be. It has to start with the letter B, right? It's hard as well, very hard, kind of like the desk. Solid. Okay, let's have a look. If you said beak, you are correct. It is a beak. Beak. So this is the mouth of a bird, and it is the beak. I'll say it again. Beak. Beak. Now, is it the beginning sound or the ending sound? If you said the beginning sound of beak, you are correct. That's right. It is the beginning sound. Third question. You can see a lot of this in most places in Hong Kong, and it is tall, very tall, okay? And people live or work in this. Does anybody know what it is? Starts with that letter B. That's right. If you said building, you got it. Let's see it together. Building. One more time. Building. Building. Now, it is the what? Beginning sound. That's correct. So you put the letter B in the far left box. Question 4. You can find this on a door. It is usually round. Most of these are round. And we can turn it. What do you think it is? If you said knob, you are correct. That's right. Which one is a knob? Right here. It is a knob. Let's say it again. Knob. Knob. We're using the B sound. Remember, knob. And you can see the B has now knob. Is it in the beginning or at the end? The B sound has made its way to the end of the word. That's right. So in the far right box, we put a letter B, a lowercase b, just like that. Okay, we have beginning and ending. Knob has the ending sound. You ready for letter P? P, 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 p. Remember, try not to make a sound when you do letter P. P, p, like that. Perfect. P, perfect. Very good. Okay, now left or right. Beginning. Here we go. We're going to do beginning sound or ending sound toward the right. Here we go. Question 1. It is a container. Jack and Jill fetch water in this. Remember the nursery rhyme? Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch up of water. Okay, now think about it. What did they fetch? And we also call it the same as a bucket. That's correct. If you found this one, pail is right. Now, can you hear the sound p? Pail, p, pail. And it is the beginning sound. That's correct. P, pail. Question 2. It is the direction that takes you to the top. To the top. This is when you move from lower to higher. Well, what is it? Let's have a look. The boy is going. Is he going down? No. He's going up, up, up. Listen to the sound of the P. Up. That's right. It's at the end. Ending sound. Up. Up. Because you hear the P toward the end of the word. Well done. Question 3. It is a small pouch for carrying money, usually used by a woman. It is similar to a handbag or a wallet. Does anybody know what it is? Most women or girls always have one of these. And I can tell you, it is a purse. Correct. It is a purse. Well done. Can you hear the sound? This is a purse. Now, look at the letter P. It's at the beginning. That's right. The sound is at the beginning. We'll say it again. Purse. Purse. Yes, the beginning sound. Okay, it's homework time. I love homework. Do you love homework? Sometimes. Anyways, phonetics, pages 1 to 4. And here we go. Now, we're going to do the same thing we just did. Okay, we have bat, bell, bus, and ball. Okay, and if you look, bat and ball have the what? The beginning sound. Okay, bike, bull, bird, and book. They have the beginning sound. Correct, because the B is the sound you hear at the beginning of each word. B. So we'll go through one more time. Bat, bell, bus, ball, bike, bull, bird, book. Okay, look here. We have beak, building, web, bear, tub, bed, and knob. And do you remember if the letters are at the beginning or the end? Okay, let's have a look here. Beak, building, obviously beginning sound. Remember web, web. At the end we hear the b in web. And what about tub, bed, and knob? Remember the beginning of the video? Tub was one of them. It had the ending sound, not the beginning. Okay, let's have a look here. We have pen, we have pot, pail, puppy, pie, purse, peanut, and pear. And you notice a lot of these words have the p sound at the beginning. Okay, let's go to the next one here. And we have penguin, cup. Think about cup. Up. Think about that one. Soap, cap, map, ship, and parrot. Ooh, this is tricky. But I know you boys and girls can do it. As you see, we have the ending sound for the word up has the ending p sound. And you figure out the rest. I know you can do it. Okay. And now you try. All right, boys and girls, that should be it for today. Thank you so much for the wonderful time. Thank you for allowing me into your house to have a quick tutorial on the letter B and the letter P. Until then, see you next time. Bye-bye.